Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. You've probably just come home from holiday and discovered your courgettes have turned into foot-long marrows, just like me. Here's how to sort them out. Okay friends, so you've come home from holiday and your courgettes have gone mad. They've literally turned into marrows. Here's how to fix the problem and get your plant back onto growing normal sized courgettes. Or if you're in America, zucchinis. Let's do it. Okay, so I hope we've all learnt how to tidy up a courgette now. Chop bottom leaves off, keep it nice and tidy, puts more energy into fruiting. We want small courgettes, don't want big boys like this, not at all. Uh, Courgette, it's a marrow, okay, in case you don't know. So zucchini, leaves it in the ground too long, fills with water, marrow. Just in case you're wondering what the hell these are, you'll believe it, broccoli. Broccoli that's gone to seed, flowers, lovely little display of flowers there for you. Keeps on giving.